Hi guys, how are you? My name is Trish. For those of you who maybe I have not met in this group, I am one of the 7-Point Nutrition coaches, and I wanted to share one of my favorite homemade turkey burger recipes with you. And I'll be honest, I've been a little bit hesitant to share this one only because one of the ingredients I find here in Utah at a local store, Harmon's. So for those of you who have a Harmon's close by to you in Utah, great, you'll be able to find this. I have it to show you, so maybe if you're not local here in Utah, you can look for it at your local grocery store. Okay, so it's only 4 ingredients, which I'm all about simple recipes. The less ingredients, the better. But I've actually shared this recipe with a couple of my clients the past few weeks, and they have all come back with rave reviews saying that they loved this recipe, how easy it was, and how versatile it was in different, like in different dinners and lunches, even breakfast. Okay, so let me show you. So first of all, you just need 1 package of just lean ground turkey breast. I think we all kind of know what that looks like. It can be whatever weight you want. And then the second ingredient, this is what I'm going to show you. So this is actually a sweet, mild Italian chicken sausage. But basically all it is chicken and then a whole bunch of seasonings to make it taste like sausage. But I get it at Harmon's, so you need a package of that. They also have one that is like a spicy Italian one. So you can use either or. The sweet Italian is my favorite. So you're gonna take a package of this and then a package of just lean ground turkey breast. I try to get the weight on them pretty similar, but I take both of those. I'm not gonna make these actually on the video, hey Q, because I already made them today and I don't wanna make them again. But so you take a package of each of those and I just throw them in a bowl, and then you're gonna take a tablespoon of some type of Dijon mustard. I've used like a stone ground one that has like the little, you can actually see it. I've used more of like a smooth one. So I just use a tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and truth be told, I just squirt it in. You can measure it out if you want. And then I also do a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. All right, so I just do a tablespoon of each of those and put everything in a bowl and just kind of stir it up. Hey Terry, I will add a little bit of salt if I remember, but you don't have to. So 4 ingredients: 1 package of lean ground turkey, 1 package of sweet Italian chicken sausage, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a tablespoon of some type of Dijon mustard. Mix it all together in a bowl, and then, hey Rhonda, okay, then here's what I do after that. So after that, I'm gonna kind of weigh them all out. Now, for those of you who are following like macros or a meal plan, you probably have a very specific amount of meat that you use. So I just weigh them out on my food scale. Just remember that your meat is going to lose about 1/4 of its weight during cooking. So if it's 4 ounces raw, it's going to be about 3 ounces cooked. So if you're not measuring them out, or if you want to wait till after they're cooked, that's fine. But then I just take them and put them on a cookie sheet. But here's kind of the funny thing where I said, someone please tell me that you do this. I buy rubber gloves that are made for food, and I will not touch raw meat, so I have to use these. Does anyone else do that, or am I the only quirky one? But I have to use those, and then I just form them into the patties, and then I bake them in the oven, 350 degrees. I'll do it for about 12 to 15 minutes on one side, flip them over, and then do it for about another 12 to 15 minutes. You kind of just have to watch them a little bit. But super easy and so yummy. And then when they're done, they kind of look like this. So they do kind of have like a little bit of an orangish color to them. They smell so yummy. They smell like sausage. I like it with sweet potato, with rice. You can crumble it up and put it in eggs. I've actually made quesadillas out of it. What else have I done with it? Oh, you can put it on a salad, like crumble it up with a salad. I think it would be so yummy in some type of Cobb type salad with some avocado and maybe like a cilantro avocado dressing with some yummy cheese in there. I don't know, there's lots of different options. But anyways, Rhonda, I'm glad that you use gloves. I buy these in bulk. Anyways, there you go. So I will drop the recipe down in the comments. 4 ingredients, so easy, so versatile. And there you go. Okay, guys, have a great day. Bye.